What's a grooming gray zone? Keep watching and I'm going to explain to you exactly what they are and how to avoid missing them during your routine. Stop overlooking these 3 areas on your face, gray zones, areas that we're not paying attention to because they're kind of in between. I was actually making 3 mistakes in the shower. I obsessively shower. I love to be clean, to smell good, but for a long time there were 3 areas on my face that I had no idea I wasn't cleaning right. And the first one was the eyebrows. My eyebrows were always flaky, dry, and I thought it was because they needed to be moisturized more. But in fact, I was making a mistake in the shower. I was washing over, under, and all around my eyebrows, but I wasn't actually scrubbing them and focusing on them in my wash. As you could see, now they are clean and flake-free and they don't look dry. The next one is right here behind the sideburns. I wash my face and I also have a dedicated beard wash that I use. When I wash my face, I was just washing this. When I wash my beard, I was scrubbing, focusing on the hair and still ignoring this right here. And then I started to get little pimples back there. As soon as I started focusing, washing on these areas, guess what? No more pimples. Number 3. I use beard oil. I wash my beard like I said. I use beard oil to moisturize the skin underneath. And I started to notice that down here, the skin was looking red and it was itchy and flaky and it looked irritated, whereas here it looked normal. So I said, why do I have this redness? And I reached out to Dan C. Bearded. He was like, make sure that you focus your beard wash on the areas that you're having the problem. And that when you apply the beard oil, that you focus the oil on those areas. When I was washing my beard, I think I was somehow overlooking to really rub through. This is the biggest part of your beard usually. And I used to have a beard that was longer, that was like down to here. You have to focus on that area when you're washing your beard. So you gotta put your fingers way down in here and make sure that you're scrubbing this. The results that I got after that were great. After several days, a week of doing that, I noticed that the flakiness was gone, the color went back to normal, the irritation went away. And likewise, when I applied the beard oil, I was making sure, and I always now make sure, to rub it in really well right there. So those are the 3 grooming gray zones. Number 1, make sure you're washing your eyebrows and scrubbing them with face wash when you wash your face. Number 2 is the area behind your sideburns, especially if you're a bearded guy. And finally, make sure that you are focusing your washing and your beard oil on the skin here, where the length and the bulk of your beard might tend to keep your fingers away from it. Make sure that you focus extra on those areas. And that's it. Those are the 3 grooming gray zones. Practice that and let me know. Also let me know if you have any other areas that you would consider a gray zone that you were missing for a long time, and share that in the comments.